Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase your device using Find My. First, open a web browser on any device and go to icloud.com/find. You will then need to sign in with your Apple ID and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be sure to verify your identity. Once logged in, click on All Devices at the top and select the specific device you want to erase from the list. Now it's time to initiate the erase process. After selecting your device, you will see several options. Choose Erase this device and then confirm your choice by tapping Erase once more. You might be prompted to enter a phone number and a message. This information will appear on the device's lock screen if someone finds it. Finally, enter your Apple ID password to authorize the remote erase. Once you confirm, the erase process will begin. If your device is currently online, the erasing starts immediately. If it's offline, the erase will happen the next time it connects to the internet. You will receive a confirmation email to your Apple ID address. It's important to know that activation lock remains active, meaning your Apple ID and password are still needed to reactivate the device, ensuring its security. After the erase is complete, you'll see an option to remove this device. Tap this, then confirm by tapping Remove again. This crucial step turns off activation lock and fully disassociates the device from your Apple ID, allowing someone else to activate it. If the device was offline during the erase, it will be removed from your account after 30 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.